Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back on here now, sharing more content with you. Every Wednesday and Sunday is literally a dream because I just love posting these videos, seeing you guys love it. I get so many messages and I'm just so happy about it. So I am here today with Freya, my sister.
Hello guys.
And Frankie May, wave to the camera. We are testing out today American candy, which is so exciting. I have just been to the American candy shop in Staple Hill, Bristol, so big shout out to them, and got loads of different American sweets, and we are going to rate those. When we went to America about literally probably like 8 years ago now, or maybe less, we weren't actually that keen on it, were we?
No, not really.
There's bits and bobs we like, bits and bobs we don't like. Yeah. So I've just picked up a range of different things that we probably haven't really ever had. And we'll go through them and we'll be honest, each of us, on how we feel. Obviously not Frankie, because she will not like them, will you? Wave.
Wave.
So we are going to start off with, I've got like about 10 different things, but we're going to start off with Takis Fuego. These are chili and lime crisps. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like them, just because of what they say, but we'll see.
Spicy.
Yeah, it's supposed to be really spicy, I've heard. So. The only problem is now she's going to moan because she wants one. Yeah. Freya?
Thank you. Never had them before, so.
Are you ready? Well, they're not actually that hot.
They're not too hot, no. They're really nice though.
That's just about enough for me.
See.
Oh, now it is getting a bit hotter.
They're really nice.
Mm. I quite like those. At the end, there's a real big like hint of like lime, but they're getting quite hot. But that's just enough spice for me. I quite like those. Do you?
They're really nice.
Yeah. So Takis we rate out of 10. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst.
10. Rate
those a 10. Next we have Warheads. These are Chews, sour chewy candy. Let me actually open these and then we will see. I quite like sour. What do you prefer, sweet or sour?
I like sour.
Yeah, I do.
But not too much.
Not too much. I like a bit of both. If these are nice, I'll let her have one as long as they're not too sour. So just like a little packet like that.
I've had like the normal ones. I've never had these though.
I've actually never had Warheads, but Freya has.
Yeah, they're really sour.
Wow, okay, these are like sort of things I quite like.
Yeah, they're nice.
Right, so they're literally, I like these sort of things when you get them in the cinema, when they're like the bigger ones. Do you want to have that one?
Yeah, sure.
I'll give Frankie, like,
you
can let her have half of it.
I'll bite half.
Right, ready? I'll have a sweet one.
Same. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I quite like those.
Can I have some?
Yum yum.
Nice.
I was like yum yum. I like them.
Mm.
Let me see if this is a sour one.
Sour,
so this is a yellow one. I'm guessing this is sour. Out of 10, what would you rate the sweet?
10.
I would rate that one an 8, just because I'm not that keen. I'm going to try the green one. Sweet.
Sweet as well.
I wanted a sour one.
I thought they were just sour, so they're sweet as well. Sour.
It says sour, but they are not sour. That is not even sour.
Maybe there's, no.
I don't know. That says sour, and there's different flavours. There's mango, strawberry, green apple, black cherry, watermelon, and blue raspberry, but they were basically sweet.
Quite weird, isn't it?
So I'd rate that an 8.
I'll say 9 now because I thought they were sour, but they aren't.
Right, so now we have, I found this Reese's Nutrageous. It's a crunchy peanut butter, creamy caramel, chocolate flavoured bar. Frankie's going to want some because she loves chocolate.
Mine's like a breakfast bar.
I think this looks like a Snickers, but I could be wrong. But obviously Snickers, has it got peanut butter in it?
No.
No.
Nuts in it.
Yeah, it's got nuts in it. I'm not keen on Reese's in general, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about this
quite
one.
like Reese's.
I do like Reese's White, but I don't really like this one. So let's give Frankie some. I'm going to take a little bite. Yeah. I love that. Oh my god.
That's really nice.
I'll give her some. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna rate that a 10.
I'll say 9 for me.
I really like that. I like chocolate more than sweets. You don't know, do you? She prefers, Freya prefers sweets, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm more of a chocolate kind of girl, but
yeah.
Here we are. Now I'm going to try Jolly Ranchers hard candy in their watermelon. Now this is like a boiled sweet, isn't it? Because you like these.
I like these.
I'm not keen on boiled sweets, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about this.
I haven't had the watermelon ones, but I've had the blueberry, the bluegrass. Thank you.
So it's literally just a little sweet. She is going to want some, which is annoying because I can't give her a boiled sweet. So I like watermelon, so I probably will like this.
See.
Really sticky. I don't know.
So nice.
Like it.
I love watermelon stuff. So.
I don't know. I'll rate that a 4.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll give it a 10. Really nice.
It's not ending. It's too much. It is watermelon, but it's actually not that watermelon.
Yeah, so quite a light.
Yeah.
Taste.
No, I'm going to rate that 4. I'm not too keen on that one.
I really like it.
We've got a few more to go. Gobstoppers. Fruit flavour hard candy. Aren't these from Wonka? Yeah. Does it even say that on them?
Everlasting gobstopper.
Oh my god, so they're jewel breakers that change colour and flavour.
Really? Change colour.
I'm going to get rid of it.
I might just swallow it in one go.
Go on them. That hurt.
Yeah, it will.
Do you want to get rid of it? I have another one after. Right. So, these are just like, it looks like Skittles. Gobstoppers.
Yeah, they
Don't know how I'm gonna feel about these, but we'll see. So, what colour are you gonna give one?
I'll go for green.
I'm gonna go for yellow because I always go for like red. Yeah, I did. I'm not keen.
You bit?
Yeah, I'm not keen. No.
Boring.
Really boring. I'm rating it a 1. That is not a satisfying sweet at all.
1. As well.
1?
I'll rate it 1, yeah.
It's like chewing on a unflavoured peanut. But worse. No. And then when you bite the middle, it tastes of soap.
Does it actually?
Yeah.
Can't bite the middle.
I don't like that. Wave. Wave. No, I don't like that at all. That is so boring. There's so many in there. No, I did not like that at all. I don't know if you guys have ever tried them. I didn't get them in that shop. They had the cookie dough bites. I think you've had them, haven't you?
Yeah.
They're like tiny little like round balls of like cookie dough bites.
Remember, yeah.
They had red velvet as well, but I've had them before and I hated them. So I didn't want to rate them on this channel because
They taste a bit weird, didn't they?
yeah, they're a bit weird. Have you ever tried Twinkies? I have actually never tried Twinkies, but I think I'd like them.
Why not?
Do you know what I'd love to just have again? The donuts you get over in Spain. Who done? The glazed donuts you get over there. If I can order them over here, I'll do it. We have actually got more than I thought. Caramel creams with Oreo. These I have never ever ever seen.
Neither.
So I don't know how I'm going to feel about these. I think I'm going to like them. I think Frankie's going to like them. I think... What do you think? They're going to be nice or not? God! Who's do you want me to have this one?
They look weird. They look licorice.
I'm going to give that one to Frankie.
Go on.
Caramel creams, Oreo.
Smell like Oreos.
See, they look really odd. They do look like licorice.
Really weird.
Ready? No, that ain't caramel. Is it? Yeah. As a hint.
That is really weird.
That's really odd. Yeah, caramel made with Oreo cookie pieces. Filled with cream.
The cream in the middle tastes like the Oreo all together.
Yeah.
And then on the outside is like a chewy...
Caramel.
Yeah. Don't really taste like caramel.
Would I want to eat that again? No. No. We're slating every single candy. It's not good, is it?
4 or 5, I give that.
I'll rate that 4. Just because I wouldn't want to eat it again. I don't think I'll let Frankie eat the rest. She seems to like them, don't you? Was that yummy? Yeah. Yeah. Was it yummy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, right, we'll go on to the next one. Strawberry Twizzlers.
Quite excited for these ones.
It says at the top they're a low-fat snack.
I think I've tried the cherry one.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to try these. I've actually never tried these. What's turkey Twizzlers?
Turkey.
Isn't there like turkey Twizzlers?
Is that?
Yeah, I thought there was something like that in America. Maybe it's in America. Right, do you want that one?
Yeah. I saw you can peel them, but you can't.
I'm going to go for this one.
Oh,
we can get out the packet.
It's more like medicine.
They do smell like bloody odd smell. Ready? What the hell? That is the most tasteless thing I have ever tasted.
Do you like it?
That bite I just took tasted like a dog's treat.
Yeah, it does as well. It's a no from me.
That is absolutely vile. I don't even want to give it a 1.
0.
Hold it. She'll probably like think it's gross. Vile. Absolutely vile.
Vile.
We're going to go in now with, we've got 3 more things. So we've got 2 toxic wastes, sour, one is blue raspberry and one is sour apple. We're going to have a bite of each. So she'll have a bite of the raspberry, I'll have a bite of that, etc. And then we've got high chew in fruity, sweet and sour watermelon. It's like gum, is it?
Looks quite nice, I think. No, I think it's a sweet, isn't it?
It's just a sweet. Right, we're gonna go for the sour first.
I like a bit of sour, I think.
Yeah, I like sour.
Is that blue raspberry?
Yeah.
It's blue raspberry, but it's pink.
I'll go first.
Weird, yeah.
You have to break your teeth.
Oh, really? That's so sour.
I actually can't even talk.
What did you eat in the Twizzler?
I don't like that. I don't want to eat that.
That's really sour. That's nice though.
I don't like that at all. I'm gonna rate that a 2.
I'm gonna give that 8.
Are you?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it was lovely, but it was too sour.
Are they both sour?
Yeah, so this is toxic. Well, then what do you expect? This toxic waste. Toxic waste sour apple. Someone likes that, don't they? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Oh no. I'll go first.
Oh, apple. I feel like apple's gonna be more sour than that one.
I'm gonna be sick this time.
It's sour. It's not for me.
I'm glad that's over. That's vile.
That was-
Absolutely vile.
The other one was more sour for me.
I'm not keen on that at all. So I'm gonna rate that one a 2 as well.
Oh, 9.
A 9. It was vile. That was vile. It's actually made me go really hot. Really hot. High chew. Chewy watermelon candy. Sweet and sour. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Sweet and sour. I think, yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it's in the pocket.
Do you want me to open it for you?
That's okay.
Is that nice, Frankie? Is that nice?
Oh, it's got like white in the middle, see.
I hope she doesn't like put that all in. She likes it.
Ooh,
right, ready?
Whoa.
I don't really like my chewing face. She's loving life because she gets to eat sweets whilst I do a YouTube video.
That's nice, that.
I really like them.
Is it gum or is it a sweet?
Ignore my loss now. I think it's candy. It says candy. Chews, yeah. So, I'll rate them a 9.
Really bad. 9 or 10.
I really like that. Yeah, I've swallowed it, so it's not gum.
Same.
Oh, I think that was beautiful. Is that all of the candy? Yeah. So it's a shame that they didn't stock Big Red chewing gum because I love that.
Same, so nice.
It's so nice. which is cinnamon, like a cinnamon gum, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's amazing. They had no cinnamon. Oh, they had something like cinnamon, like chews, like Jolly Rancher. They had those there, but I don't think I'd like a cinnamon hard candy. Would you? Like a Jolly Rancher?
Not really, no.
No. If it's gum, I love it.
Gum, yeah.
They, online on another American website, they did have those glazed donuts, so you can get them somewhere, but they didn't have them here. But a big shout out to the American Candy Shop in Stable Hill. It was a lovely little shop, and they had quite a lot of American candy in there. They had like mini packets of like Twizzlers, they had a pick and mix counter, so if you live in Bristol, get down there. It was lovely. And they also had a Hershey's freeze machine. So nice. It's like not like a slush, like a milkshake Hershey's in a like a slushy machine, which looked really nice. But yeah, that was really different. I definitely prefer English sweets and chocolate. Do you?
Yeah. Some of it is really nice, but some
of it's just not me. I just feel like their stuff's way more different to what we eat. Like, I don't know, like Reeses, I see it as our candy, but it's not, because Reeses is American.
Yeah, but you see it around a lot here.
Yeah, like Reeses you can get in like Co-op, Sainsbury's, Tesco, Asda, whereas that like stuff, like the caramel Oreos, you can't get that in Asda. I've never ever seen them.
Yeah.
No. So yeah, it's really nice to just try different bits. I would have loved to have tried some like Fanta grape, like the cans, but they didn't have any.
She was looking up at me.
They didn't have any Fanta grape cans. I would have loved to have tried those.
Same.
They had nothing like that, so maybe next time we will do something like that. But on another note, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you will drop me some more ideas for some new videos, because I've got a few in mind, but I do need some more ideas. You will see Frankie and Freya on the channel very soon. Frankie, wave, wave. She's waving the Twizzler. Someone likes them. She rates them a 10 by the looks of it. I will see you guys very soon. I hope you've had a lovely time. Bye.
Bye.